If you are coming from Windows, you are used to using Ctrl+C to copy. On a MacBook, the equivalent is CMD+C, the command key which is right next to your spacebar. Same goes for the rest of your shortcuts, Command+V to paste and Command+X to cut. Everything that's Control on Windows is CMD on Mac. It might be a bit confusing because there's also Control on Mac in left down corner area. This control is used for different things. So let me show you how you can copy. You can just select the area, press Command+C, and if you press here Command+V, you can paste it. If you, for example, don't want to use your keyboard, you can also select the area. This is only on Mac, not on Windows. Go to Edit, and here you can click Copy, which is here Command+C. So you can do it also only with the trackpad, with your mouse, not using the keyboard. Here you can also see all other shortcuts. So that's all you have to know. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.